How to download Notion app on your iPhone. If you want to download Notion app, then follow this instruction. First, click on the search bar and open App Store. After you open your App Store, you can see the search icon on the bottom right corner. Click on it and here on the search bar type in Notion. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. This is the official app of Notion. And here you can see this Get option. Click on Get to download Notion app. After the verification, your download will get started. It may take some time depending on your internet speed. After your download is completed, you can see open button like this. Click on Open to use Notion app on your iPhone. So this is how you can download Notion on your phone. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.